Thank you so much. And we have time for questions. You, Marcelo? I think that you are a specialist in the law, no? In internet law. I think really that we don't have any law in internet. What is your idea about this? Because it's a chaotic war, no? I think, in principle.
Well, the easy answer is that the law that you apply offline, the same you apply online. This is the easy answer. If you are looking for a more complex answer, there are many attempts to define international regulations in different fields. For instance, in the commerce field, for instance, talking about fundamental rights, there are many organizations working on defining, on redefining legislation online.
But for example, the Pope speaks about the dark internet, the dark internet. What it is, and people say this the 80% of the internet and support all the other internet. That is true.
Well, if you are asking for answer from a legal point of view, there are some conventions, international convention on cybercrime, and there are agreements between different agencies and ministries from different countries in order to facilitate cooperation against cybercrime. There are new crimes, of course, but not always a new fact needs a new law. In many cases, you may apply to a new fact, an old law, because the rule is the same. So what is needed is international cooperation, international execution of orders, a way to adapt different systems at the international level in order they can work together. But in most cases, a new substantial rule is not needed.
Thank you. Yes,